Hello students, welcome to Top Scholars. Let us learn about circle, the interior, exterior of a circle, circumference and arc of a circle. Let us first understand the interior and exterior of a circle. So, we have a circle drawn in a rectangle. Now, if I point out certain points on this circle, let me see what are the points that we have marked here. Yes, I have marked P, Q, R, S as well as A, B, C and D. Now, the question is, the points have been marked at various places on this diagram, the rectangle and the circle considered together. Now, the points P, Q, R and S have been drawn inside the part of the circle, which means the points P, Q, R and S are said to be in the interior of the circle. Now look at the points A, B, C and D. These points are on the rectangle, but they are outside the border of the circle. So I can say these points A, B, C and D are in the exterior of the circle. What we can also understand from this is that all the area inside the circle is said to be the interior of the circle. The area outside the circle is said to be the exterior of the circle. Simple. Let us try one more example. Let's do it. So, in this example, I have a circle and there are various points marked in and around the circle. We have to tell which points are in the interior, which points are in the exterior of the circle, and also which are the points that are on the circle. Now, when I say on the circle, which means they are exactly on the border of the circle, the line drawn of the circle. So, let us begin. Let us first point out the points marked interior of the circle. So, we have point Z in the interior. We also have point A in the interior. Point B is also in the interior. And which is the fourth point, my dear students? Yes, the fourth point is point W. So, Z, A, B and W are the 4 points in the interior of the circle. Now, which are the points in the exterior of the circle? Exterior means outside. So, which points are outside the circle? Let us locate them. Point X is outside the circle in the exterior. Point G is also in the exterior. Point S is also in the exterior. And the point D is also in the exterior. So, the 4 points X, G, S and D are in the exterior of the circle. Apart from the points which are in the interior and the points which are in the exterior, are there any other points? Yes, there are points like the point H, the point T. These points are said to be on the circle. So, on the circle we have point H and point T, and there is one more point, my dear students. Yes, on the lower side we can see we have the point J.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.